So the colony still seems to be moving. So, एक second. हाँ, it's still moving, and it's going over these metal rings. Oh, that's a red ant there. I don't think if you can you see it? It's gone. Where is it? There was a red ant here just like a moment ago, but these are all yellow ants. Or I'm not sure if they're yellow ants or they're pharaoh ants. They could be pharaoh ants also. So they're moving up this metal rod here, and then they seem to be going over. I don't think it is focusing. Second. Okay, trust me on this. They're going up this, and they're probably going into the metal hole over here in this rod somehow. You can see a few ants are wandering here. Just like that, they're wandering up and down. These ants are searching for new places and new cracks. Like there's one there. They're searching for new cracks and they're leaving their pheromones here and there. Leaving this ant over here. So these people are searching. Few ants have gone into the mulberry tree. They are walking up and down the mulberry tree. Like that one there. And maybe they'll start they'll make the colonies in these plants and in that metal rod also. Some ants are moving up here. Some are going in here and there. Some are going there like that. So they're following these pheromonal trails and there are a lot of elates here actually. They're like, I've seen at least 10 now. Some ants are carrying brood there. Like that, they're carrying brood. Like that. So it seems hopeful for them. There are ants here also on this piece of log. They were here just a moment ago. Okay, there's one here, nice. Oops, where did it go? It's here, 1 second only. There it is. Going. They're looking at this mulberry tree and they're searching if it's okay and if it's habitable and is it giving them enough food or does it have place to dig their colony. I mean, not dig the colony, dig like a place for living for the colony. And yeah, they're ready to set up their colony. There's another elite coming here. Several elites going. And you can see there's an elite here. The colony is protecting that elite. They're moving around her. They're letting her go carefully like bodyguards. You can see she's going away from my side. They're going like from the other side. They don't want to come from this side for some reason. Maybe the pheromones on that side are stronger. From the other side, away from the camera, they're moving.